And this is Anjali Vinod Kumar, a principal and correspondent of Little Krishna Montessori School, Bargur. Today, on behalf of World Earth Day, we came here for the forum in Bargur to make awareness, to give some awareness about to protect Earth, to prevent pollutions, to prevent the children, to prevent the society from the pollution. So here is the forum, and here we are going to have many activities to the children, and we are going to educate the children on air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. So I wish you all a happy Earth Day. Thank you.
Golden morning, bright and fair, blooms are dancing in the air, roses red and jasmine white, night queen whispers sweet delight. Birds are singing soft and clear, melodies for all to hear. Dove nods head with gentle grace, bulbul trills from leafy space. River runs with laughing sound, down the hills its path is found. Little boat goes sailing by, bulbul trill from leafy space. River runs with laughing sound, down the hills its path is found. To the boat goes sailing by, kingfisher darts from sky so high. Clouds come marching row on row, raindrops tap a song below, dewdrops shine on grass so green, butterflies in colors sing. Evening sun with golden ray paints the west in red display. Crickets chirp in twilight hue, moon blooms where flowers brew. It's green. Nature's book is sweet and true, filled with love in